Hello guys, welcome to my channel One. So in this video I want to talk about how you can check your airdrop allocation on PINEYE. So as you all know that the airdrop allocation has been given to every user so farm this airdrop, and the airdrop has been allocated to every users. So now you can go ahead and withdraw your PINEYE to the exchanges which they just listed. So before we get started, all I need from you guys is to go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel One, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So in order for us to withdraw our PINEYE airdrop, what you need to do is to go to the airdrop section. So as you all can see that this is the amount which I received from the PINEYE ecosystem. That you can see the total airdrop allocation given to me 21 PINEYE, which is not encouraging. And also I'm not supposed to make this video about the withdrawal of this PINEYE because the allocation given to us is not encouraging. And you can see that we currently have about 2 days now to connect our wallet. So first thing first, in order for us to go ahead and connect our wallet, is go ahead and click on where it says choose exchange. So once you go ahead and click on choose exchange, you can see different exchanges which you can go ahead and click. So they have listed in all these exchanges like Bybit, Get.io, Mexi, Week, BS, and the rest of them. These are the exchanges which they just listed, and I currently have about 2 accounts which I found this PINEYE. So this is my first account. Let me go ahead to the airdrop section. You can see that I have about 21 PINEYE. So let me go ahead to my second account. So this is my second account PINEYE airdrop. So let me go to the airdrop section. You can see it's not even much safe. 91 PINEYE. This is rubbish. I was even taking this second account as serious. I've invited as many users to this particular second account, but this is the amount which they just gave me, 91 PINEYE, which is not encouraging. So go ahead and choose on exchange. So I'll be using that of the Gate.io and Week. These are the 2 exchanges I'm going to use. I'm going to use Get.io on my first account and Week on my second account. But another thing again is that I'm going to make a video on this particular exchange known as the Week. So I'm going to make a video in order for us to go ahead and claim free USDT. So they are hosting a free USD campaign on this particular exchange known as the Week exchange. So that Week's exchange, so they are hosting a campaign, USDT campaign, whereby what you are required to do is to go ahead and sign up to this particular exchange and do some KYC verification. And once you do that KYC verification, you are going to receive free 4 USDT which you can withdraw. So I'm going to make a video immediately after posting this video. So I'm going to make a video on this particular exchange known as the Week. So let's go ahead and withdraw our PINEYE. So this is my Get.io. All I need to do is go to this section and click on it. Once I click on it, it will brought me to my interface. So what I need to do is go ahead and copy my UID, my Get.io UID. So let's go ahead and paste it. So paste your UID. Connected my Get.io, and also the second account I'm going to use that of Bitmart. So I'm going to use Bitmart. So I'm not going to use this Week because remember I said I'm going to make a video on this particular exchange on how you can earn free USDT from this exchange. So I'm going to use Bitmart in order for me to claim my airdrop. So this is my Bitmart exchange. First thing is to go to this section and click on it and copy your UID. So this is my UID. I'm going ahead to copy it and go back to the exchange airdrop. So I'll click on Bitmart, click on yes, I have an account, and paste my UID. And airdrop allocation given to every one of us is very little compared to the price which they are trading right now, because the price which they are trading right now is about 0.008 which they are trading now. So what is the use of claiming the airdrop? So no need. So this we have come to the end of this video. So if you find this video helpful, I need from you guys is to go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel One, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So peace out.